Welcome to our deep dive into the world of computers. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of how a computer works. At its core, a computer is a device that processes information, transforming raw data into meaningful output. But let's break this down into more digestible parts. First up, we have the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. Think of the CPU as the brain of your computer. It carries out instructions from programs, performing basic arithmetic, logic, control, and input-output operations specified by the instructions. It's essentially the engine that drives your computer's performance. Next, we have memory, commonly referred to as RAM, or random access memory. RAM is the computer's short-term memory, temporarily storing data that the CPU needs quick access to while your computer is working. The more RAM you have, the more efficiently your computer can handle multiple tasks at once. Storage is another vital component. This is where all your data is permanently stored. Hard drives and solid-state drives serve this purpose. While hard drives use spinning disks, solid-state drives offer faster speeds thanks to their flash memory technology. The motherboard is the computer's main circuit board, housing the CPU, RAM, and storage. It connects all parts of a computer together, allowing them to communicate and work seamlessly. Consider it the backbone that integrates everything into a functional machine. Input devices like keyboards, mice, and cameras allow users to interact with the computer, sending information for the CPU to process. On the flip side, output devices such as monitors and printers present the results to the user, transforming processed data back into human-readable form. Let's not forget about software, the unsung hero enabling the hardware to perform useful tasks. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux act as the bridge between user and machine, managing resources and providing a platform for applications to run. Finally, power supply units provide the necessary electricity, converting it from outlet to a usable form for the computer's components. Without this, nothing would operate. In brief, computers are complex systems made up of hardware and software components that work together to perform amazing feats of technology. From processing data to creating the digital experiences we rely on daily, it's a harmonious blend of parts working in sync that makes these machines work. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the inner workings of computers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tech content.